Good morning, everyone, and welcome to our channel. I'm Sweeney from Skymard. Today, I'm excited to introduce you a powerful and reliable machinery from Xugong's road construction machinery, the RP405 Asphalt Paver. Designed for road construction and maintenance projects, the RP405 combines compact flexibility with high-quality paying performance. The RP405 is designed for a wide range of applications, including municipal roads, country highways, and rural road construction. With a maximum paying width of 4.5 meters and a paying thickness of up to 216 meters, its delivery is consistent, high quality, result in ever pace. Its compact design allows for easily transport and quickly drop size maneuvering, a true workhorse for middle-scale paving projects. Equipped with a powerful and reliable energy, the RP405 ensures strong traction and smooth operation, even on the heavy roads. The fully hydraulic driving system provides precise speed control and excellent adaptability to varying job conditions. The operator's platform is ergonomically designed, offering clear visibility and easily access to all controls, reducing fatigue and increasing productivity during long-term working hours. As a part of Xugong's renowned road machinery family, the RP405 is built to the highest quality standards. From key components to final assembly, every detail is carefully engineered to ensure long-term durability and lower maintenance costs. Xugong's local service network means you are never far from support, parts, service, and peace of mind wherever your project takes you. If you are looking for a reliable, efficiency, and cost-effective asphalt paver for your next road project, the RP405 is the perfect choice. So, thank you for your watching. See you next time.